Hare Krishna. Today we are going to discuss four kinds of people, two kinds of fools and two kinds of intelligent people. So two kinds of intelligent are active intelligent and lazy intelligent. And other fools, two kinds are lazy fool and active fool. So out of these four, lazy intelligent is best. You will get surprised how. And active fool is worst. So we'll describe a person who is fool, and if he at the same time he becomes very active, so he will be destructive. He will be involved in harmful activities that will not be beneficial for anybody. So it is better if fool is lazy. They should be better. They remain aside and they are lazy. Or otherwise teach them, educate them. So education is most important. uh, Giving them right knowledge. In scriptures, fool means who doesn't know the goal of life and who is just wasting his time for eating, sleeping, mating, defending animals' job. And intelligent, a person who is really very intelligent and who knows the goal of life, who is very self-controlled, right? And he can live for others' sake. So this kind of person should be lazy. Lazy means not in that sense. Generally, it looks like he is visionary and he is giving directions. That means he's lazy. Physically, he should not be involved. He should be free. He should be free to think and observe and give directions. So that kind of lazy, intelligent people are required. And if intelligent person becomes very active, is doing some activity, busy, then he's wasting his time. He is not harmful at least, but it is not proper utilization. So intelligent people, they should be free. They should not get involved in labor kind of work. There are four kinds of people: intelligent class, mercantile class, then this administrative class. Second one is administrative class, then mercantile class, then is labor class. So there are tendencies and capacities of people. So they should be engaged accordingly. If intelligent class people, they are engaged in labor work, then this is not proper utilization, misutilization of his time and energy, and he can do much better work. So we should identify people, okay, as per their qualities and their inclinations, and then we can serve the society in the best manner. So intelligent people, they should do visionary work, right? And people without any education, without knowing the goal, we should not just simply busy in some doing research work. So like these scientists, if they don't know the goal of the life, they will be simply involved in destructive work. The fool, he may be knowing many skills, but does not mean he's wise. Wise means who know the essence of life, who knows the goal of life. Like goal of life is to achieve Lord, to become always happy, to conquer the death, to conquer the fear, no worries, right? So if the person doesn't believe in this next birth and next life, he's a fool number one. I'm not saying our Srila Prabhupada used to give this example, and that is from scriptures. Krishna himself is telling to Arjuna, you are a fool number one, but talking like a wise person, for whom you are mourning. Ultimately, these people will be killed sooner or later. Either you kill or not kill, they're going to be killed. And others say nobody going to be killed because soul never dies. But duty must be done. Anyway, so this was my today's, I want to discuss these four kinds of people. And now one thing I want to request that this WhatsApp, and I think they have closed this broadcasting it is difficult to send any message forward to broadcasting list. So better to subscribe, because from yesterday I am not able to forward this directly the videos. Some problem is there. I think some new version has come WhatsApp. They have disclosed this. So you please subscribe so that you can get notification directly. I may not be able to send these messages to you, links and all. Hare Krishna.